Hello everyone, this is Dr. Akshita from SunBeam. Python is among one of the top popular programming languages. Programmers and developers have built their career and a great place at their workplaces. Python is a programming language that is highly flexible and high in demand. And if one would like to enter in the domain of data science, data analytics, AI, etc., then Python is a language which one must learn. So here at SunBeam, we have announced the upcoming Python batch, which will be conducted by me. And we will be learning something called as history and introduction about Python. We will see the fundamentals and building blocks of Python language. We will talk about functions and collections like list, set, tuple. We will see how the functional programming can be achieved in case of Python. We will talk about list comprehensions, loops, generators, and decorators. We will talk about some third-party libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Flask. Here we will also cover how the Python modules can be installed, what are the different types of packages which are available, how to create your own packages. Then we will try to work upon the most important libraries of NumPy and Pandas for data analysis. For visualization, we will use something called as Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries. So finally, we will talk about image processing, which is using a OpenCV. So the batch is starting on 29th of January. End date of batch will be 23rd of February. Timing of the batch will be 4 to 6. The duration will be around 40 to 45 hours. And prerequisite for this batch is any programming language. And link of registration is mentioned in the description box. Should have any queries, please feel free to contact us for more details. Thank you.